we begin with news of a death investigation of a 2-year-old and 2 men in custody on possible charges related to that death. Here's what we know so far. On June 22nd, Green Bay police were called to a home at 146 Alpine Drive for a 2-year-old boy with life-threatening injuries. The victim was brought to a hospital, but on June 24th, he died of his injuries. Then, 3 days later, on the 27th, multiple agencies came together to take 21-year-old man and his 48-year-old father into custody. Now today, a father and son appeared virtually in court for probable cause hearings. David Vanderleest and James Vanderleest are both in custody in the Brown County Jail. And based on today's probable cause hearings, both are facing possible charges in connection to the death of the child. Now, our Blake Borth was in court today for both hearings at the Brown County Courthouse, and he brings us more now. Blake?
Hi, Tom. It was an emotional day in the courthouse as both Vanderleests appeared for their probable cause and bond hearings. Now, the court set a $2 million bond for James Vanderleest with some restrictions. The court stated that Vanderleest is to have no contact with his father or the victim and her family. Deputy District Attorney Wendy Lemkuhl stated in court today that James has already attempted to contact the victim in this case. His father and former Republican candidate for the state Senate also appeared in court today. The court set his bond at $100,000 cash. Neither of the two are allowed to contact each other per the court's order. No official criminal complaint has been filed for either of the defendants, but Deputy District Attorney Lemkuhl said they are being worked on. One of the victim's family members spoke during the hearing, emphasizing that both men are a danger to the community.
I don't think $2 million or $100,000 of my dad's bond is acceptable. It's just irate, I guess.
My nephew doesn't get to try to run on this earth again. And for that, you need to stay in those brick walls, James. That's where you belong, and you know it.
And Tom, both of them are expected to be in court for preliminary hearings next month. Live in Green Bay, Blake Borth, Local 5 News.
Thank you, Blake.